Hello everyone, welcome to ITCS Master. I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to see seventh part of Excel series, and in previous video we have already covered six videos, and today is seventh. And last video we have seen how to create table. Okay, how to create table. So today also next topic is table. Okay, we will see advanced features of table. Okay, so let's begin today. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share. This channel is made especially for IT, CS, computer related topics like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, hardware, networking, SQL database, programming. That's all. If you are any preparing for government job, and so you can visit our another channel, High Street Learning. Okay, so let's begin for today. So here is a one table which we have already made in last video. So first we have seen here you can see here is some columns: order, item, quantity, rate, and here you can see also filter option. Okay, so today we are going to discuss table design option, table menu, okay, and sort, filter, and slicer. What is sorting? Sorting is arranging data. Sorting is arranging data according to our requirement. Okay, you can arrange in numerically. You can arrange it alphabetically. Okay, you can sort your data. Filter similarly is filter. Filter is referred to display only the rows that meet our condition. Okay, and we can say based on supply criteria data which we have provided to filter data. Okay, so first is table design. What is table design? Here you can see. Okay, uh, okay, I'm just enable ribbon bar. You can see ribbon bar, and here you can see there is no menu with the name of design. Okay, but when you go to you select a table, then you can see here is the option table design. Okay, so I select table and select table design option. Here you can see there is a lot of option. So now first we see what is slicer. Okay, what is slicer? Slicer is a very popular tool. If you suppose you are providing a report to your manager, and if you want to display data is a very professional way, then you can use slicer. Okay, slicer is a similarly is you can say is a filter. Okay, so let's see how it is work. Okay, how it works. Okay, so select suppose I select item. So I select insert slicer. Here you can see all column are showing. So now you can select column which you want to filter. Suppose I want to filter on item column. Just I select item, and here you can see all value is showing of item column. And now you can filter easily. Just select a value code. So here you can see keyboard data is showing. You can select desktop value is showing. Mouse, so here mouse value is showing. Laptop, the laptop value is showing. And if there is any blank, the blank is also showing. I hope it is clear. Okay, so you can present your report in a very impressive way. Okay, so next, so I am deleting this, just press delete button from your keyboard. Okay, so I've deleted, and now again. Okay, I hope it is now clear. Now next is sorting. So next is sorting. For sorting, here you can see it is already sorted in a ascending order. Okay, 1 2 3 4. If you want to sort this in a alphabetical way, then you just select, go to data and select sort. Here you can use multiple condition. Today we will learn only basic filter. Okay, suppose I want to filter on item, so just I select. Here you can see column H and I. Oh, I have not selected table. Just I select table and filter. Oh, sorry, sort and select column. Suppose I want to sort item base, sort on cell value, ठीक है, on and value A to Z, Z to A or custom any. So suppose I want to see this Z to A, okay, and I select order Z to A and then okay. Here you can see mouse M L K D, okay, it is in descending order M L K D. Here you can see also serial number has been changed. Now again you want to filter on serial number, then also you can add second label, add label, and suppose serial number is smallest to largest, then okay. Okay, you can see filter mouse, laptop, keyboard. Okay, similarly if you want to filter any other, you can delete also. Just delete, and you want to filter only single value serial number. Okay, I select serial number and I want to value largest to smallest. Okay, just I select and okay, largest. Here you can see 4 3 2 1. Okay, I hope it is now clear. Okay, next is filter. Filter is similar to slicer, we have already seen yet. Okay, again we see filter. Suppose then again I select a filter, I select filter on item and select filter. Already there is filter, and now again I press filter. Here you can see filter, and you select filter. What do you want? Okay, suppose you want to see only blank value, just select and okay. Here you can see blank. Suppose you want to see keyboard value, only keyboard and blank. Okay, multiple. Here you can see keyboard and blank both. So I hope it is clear now. We will see in next video advanced filter. Okay, what is advanced filter? Now again go to table design. We have covered slicer, filter, sorting. Now there is some few option of table. Suppose you want to, if you want to header row. Here one option is header row. If you don't want to see header in this table, just select table design and untick header row. Here you can see header. Okay, now header is not. So again you want to see, okay, you want to display a header, then just select header row. I hope it is clear. If, next is total row. If you want to total of row, then just select total row option. Okay, just here you can see total. Okay, total option are available. Similarly, banded row means here you can see one is gray color, second row is white, then again gray, then again white. So it is called banded row. If you don't want to see banded row, just select banded row. Here you can see now it is a only one color, it is a white color. Okay, again you want to see in banded, so here banded. Generally first column. Okay, okay, you can see first column color change. Similarly, you can choose last column. Means you can design your table according to you. You can display your data in a very professional way. Now again, if you want to banded columns similar to banded row, then again just select banded columns. Here you can see alternative columns banded. Okay. I hope it is clear. Next is, if you don't want to see filter button, okay, in your table, just untick filter button. Also you can select from data option. Now next, I hope it is clear. If if you are enjoying this, please like and share this video. And for next video and next series, please subscribe this channel. Now next is, if you want to change your design, table design, so you can just select your design. Here you can see lot of option of table design. Okay, here you can display many. You can select according to you and design your table format which you want. I hope it is clear now. It is a basic, and slicer is very important. Important means popular. If you present a presentation your boss, so I think it's very useful formula. I hope it is clear today, and please subscribe and like and share. Thank you. Whenever.